intervening application before the Deputy Collector in the matter between Mulmagaon Port Trust and Inspector of Land Survey, Captain of Ports and Under Secretary Revenue. Now this matter is pertaining to an application made by Chief Engineer Mulmagaon Port Trust in 2016 asking the Deputy Collector to survey 5,78,000 square meters of reclaimed land and enter their name in the Form D. Now this reclaimed land is part of River Zuari, which is coming under the Goa government as per the Land Revenue Code, Goa Land Revenue Code. Now MPT has reclaimed this land without taking any permission from Government of Goa. Now out of this 5,78,000 square meters, 96,000 square meters have been leased. Now when this land belongs to Goa government, how can MPT, who does not have a title to this land, lease it to third parties? Now an application was made by one of the respondents to the Deputy Collector in November 2019 requesting to make Under Secretary Revenue a party to these proceedings. The Deputy Collector was pleased to issue an order in November 2019 issuing notice to Under Secretary Revenue to be a party to the proceedings. It is one year is over now. The Under Secretary Revenue has not appointed any advocate to represent them in this matter. As such, I, as a citizen of India and a resident of Mulmagaon, who is concerned about the interest of the citizens in this particular matter, have filed and requested to be an intervener in this. If we do not do this, then all this precious land which belongs to Goa will be squandered away and given to MPT on a platter. It is only for jurisdiction. Jurisdiction and ownership are two different issues. MPT has got jurisdiction over a large area of Mulmagaon. That doesn't mean MPT is the owner of the land. So MPT is not the owner of the land. Jurisdiction is only as a regulatory body for administrative purpose, to maintain good governance, to maintain navigation in the channel and administrative duties.
And what has been the state government's move or the stand on this issue?
State government has to appoint a lawyer and represent in this court. They have not done it. That's why I am intervening now. I am forced to intervene. Otherwise, Deputy Collector may be compelled to give an order, whatever he feels. I want to assist the court. I have got documents under RTI.